Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by gathering the clips and assets you will use and aligning basic project settings. Choose files with the same resolution and frame rate to avoid jitter. This reduces scaling and color shift later. Once done, set the timeline to that resolution and pick whether the split is vertical or horizontal, because that choice determines crop directions and safe margins. Make sure to create 2 tracks and place each clip on its own track, so you can work on them independently without affecting the other. Now you crop and position so each clip occupies its half of the frame. Use precise crop tools or mask shapes for clean edges. Once you position, adjust the anchor point or use X/Y transform values so the subjects remain centered in their pane. Next, match exposure, white balance, and contrast. This step matters because mismatched images draw attention. Finally, scale and stabilize if needed so motion and apparent camera distance feel consistent, which keeps the split looking deliberate rather than accidental. Finish by refining the seam. Add a thin divider or soft feather to hide tiny mismatches. Use safe margins so no important content is cut at the edge. Once it looks right, export using a codec and bitrate that preserve detail. Matching source settings prevents new artifacts. If things go wrong, like stutter or misalignment, make sure both clips and timeline share the exact frame rate and resolution. Mismatched frame rates are the most common cause, and resampling or conforming will fix sync problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.